So I have bought a brand new album of Troye Sivan that's called Bloom. It was released on August 31st and is the second album of Troye, and the cover is like for double album, double disc. The album is with little surprise that I will talk about later, and I have already listened to it, and the sound is absolutely brilliant. It's much more better than from, I don't know, iTunes or Apple Music. It's really perfect. And this is the front picture of the album, and this is the back picture with face of Troye and with a track list of the album. And here in the first sleeve there is a booklet, very nice booklet, with the same picture in the front, and inside there are pictures of Troye and lyrics of the songs and some other information about writers and producers and all the information like this. Here you can see all the pictures. Here in the middle there is a big picture. Yeah. And in the second sleeve there is the disc itself in another sleeve of violet color with the name of the album, Bloom, and it's 180 grams 80 grams vinyl. And there is the surprise that I was talking about. This is the side A of the album, and here you can see there are not only 5 tracks as it is written on the cover, but there are 6 tracks. Here the last track is very short, and it's a very nice surprise. And there is no information about this track on the cover, and no information on internet. You can find no information about it. It's really the surprise on vinyl, and I'm pretty sure that this track is not on CD version, and also it's not on a stream version or download version, because I have already this album on Apple Music. And there is no information about it. It's the track is very nice, and I will say no other information about it. I will keep you in secret and enjoy it yourself when you buy the vinyl. And there is another interesting information about the vinyl version. I am from the Czech Republic, and Czech Republic is the biggest producer of vinyls in Europe, and I'm pretty sure that the Czech Republic is one of the biggest producers in the whole world. And this album was really produced in the Czech Republic, so I'm pretty sure that all the vinyls for Europe were produced here in my country. So this is the vinyl version of Bloom. And see you later, because I will make another movies about CD versions of Bloom album. They are already coming to me, one from Japan and one from the USA, with special bonus tracks. So I'm really looking forward to listen to them. And I will say something about it later in another video. So, Troye Sivan, Bloom.